We have to upload CaveTV. Let's go. Hey guys, you gotta get the show uploaded. Hurry. Nice.
What's up, caveman? Oh, is it not recording? Okay. We'll do it again. What's up, cavemen?
Welcome back to CaveTV.
We've got a lot of great stuff for you guys today.
We'll be getting to know your favorite lunch ladies,
Not to mention a sick new song of the week.
another fun game of What's in the Box,
A school survival tips edition of Gage and Jaxon.
and we'll be talking to the drum majors, asking them how the St. George trip went.
Let's get to it.
Hey, cavemen! Got a new song of the week for you. That's our song of the week. You can find it and more on the Cave Creative Ear Candy playlist on Spotify. Be sure to send us your song selections if you'd like to hear them on the show. And we'll see you next time.
Thanks, Brian. Now on to Abby interviewing the drum majors about St. George.
Hi guys, I'm here with Tyler Whittington and Anna Siemens. They are drum majors from our marching band this year. What was the show like?
Well, our show was called The Making of a Captain. It was about Captain Hook and how he struggled and eventually kind of conquered Peter Pan, at least our story. So we had some visual soloists, Bridget and Addie. We had a violin soloist, Sydney, and then we had a vocalist who is right here.
Hi guys. What kind of progress have you made so far?
Well, being the amazing marching band we are, we have taken first at every competition, and that includes caption awards, including amazing color guard, visual, music, and percussion. And I guess the way we've progressed is our scores are constantly getting higher throughout the season, and our family bonding is constantly growing.
I agree. It's a really good family, band family. I love it. All right. And what was your favorite part of the show?
My favorite part, we had a lot of rehearsal, like letters for where the music would be. X to Y for all of those marching band members always got me. It was the very end of the show. Captain Hook had triumphed. She finally had her hook.
All right. What are you going to do now that the season is over?
Well, marching band kind of dominates most of our time, but now that it's over, I guess we'll just take time to relax, catch up on schoolwork, and maybe get a job.
That's probably a really good idea. All right, guys, we're so thankful for your time to take out of class to come film with us. We will see you at the top. Be there.
You're watching CaveTV.
Can you put that as the intro?
Yeah!
You're watching CaveTV. So dumb.
Okay, turn around. Get over the wall.
Turn around, Jackson.
Is it a bowl of feathers? Is it a bowl of feathers?
Is it like a squash?
What the heck?
Suckers? Yeah, lots of suckers.
Feels kind of nice on my hands, though.
What is that?
I kind of like it, though. It feels nice. It feels like a little, like an animal, like a little farm animal, like a little pig or something. Are they little pigs? Are they little farm animals?
What is this?
What are these?
Yeah, no.
I am an 18-year-old.
Dad, a pumpkin for person. Yeah, pumpkin face. Can I look at it?
Is mine? Is mine or is mine different?
That's terrible.
What the crap?
Yo, Marty. Yo, what's wrong?
Dude, I'm just so sad.
How come?
My parents are getting divorced.
Really? That's crazy. Have you been asked to Sadie's though?
No.
You know it's not too late.
Really?
Don't be like Marty. You can still go to Sadie's. It's $8 stag and $15 a couple. Doors open tomorrow at 8 p.m. See you there, caveman.
Dude.
My name is Shauna Durant.
My name is Lita Farnsworth.
My name is Kim Oviatt.
I've been with the district for a long time, but I've been here at this school for 6 years.
2.5 years.
12 years.
The best part about my job is I get to come early to work. I love getting up early, and I get to go home early so I can do other things.
Getting to know the other women and fixing the meals. I do the mainline cook.
Probably getting to know the students and maybe kind of having a relationship with them and getting to see them come like from 10th to 12th grade.
The worst part about my job is I'm the manager, and once a month I have to do inventory, so I have to count everything that we have.
Probably having to get up way early.
Cleaning up messy tables after you lovely students.
That people don't know? Well, I went to American Fork High back in the day, and I happened to be Miss American Fork. Whoa!
Would you want to tell us more about that?
Well, I'll tell you, yeah, I won off my talent, I'm sure, because I played the piano and I was like really good. So I think that's why I won. It was because anyway.
But I have 6 children and I have 18 grandkids.
I have 5 grandchildren and I raised 5 boys.
I love to garden and knit and crochet and sew and go to my grandkids' sports games, and I love sports. I play pickleball every day, and well, not every day, but I play pickleball, and we go snowmobiling and skiing, and it's awesome.
I enjoy travel, and I like to do handwork like embroidery and crocheting.
I spend time with my family, and I like to travel. I don't do it enough, but I like to travel.
Jackson. All right, so there's a lot of beautiful women in these cases. You can come just look at them. That's something you can do.
Also notice that there's a couple missing. That's because someone decided to take a few.
Vandalized and took them. If you're the person who did that, turn yourself in.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Be ashamed. All right, the next tip is do not film other people without their consent.
It's
very rude.
It's very
and very
rude.
unorthodox.
You could get in serious trouble.
There's a
There's
word
no
for you.
filming on AF property right now, so.
Yeah.
Back there, see it? You can just take whatever you want. They won't care. Oh, there's Mr. Bus.
Dude, he's so hot.
Okay, guys, the next tip is always be nice and friendly to your fellow teachers.
Ah!
Hey, boss man.
Did we get you?
Let's
Did
go.
we get you?
Let's go.
I literally saw you in the reflection.
Hey guys, we had a super fun time filming this episode of Gage and Jaxon. You can follow my TikTok right there. You better go follow it right now.
You can follow my TikTok right there. It's really worth it.
And until next time, stay Gage Jackson-y.
Stay.
Now, onto our Mindset Minute.
Hi, my name's Lacey Pace. I'm a pole vaulter from the show All Around Champion, and I love to work hard. So I didn't always have a dream to do pole vaults and to stick with that sport. I had tried soccer and basketball and softball. None of those sports were really sticking to me, were really standing out to me. I just kept trying sports and didn't really find something that I wanted to keep working towards and trying to be the best at. And so finally when I found pole vaults, I was like, this is the one. This is the one that I really want to work towards. I have a big dream to go to the Olympics in pole vaults, but where I'm right now, I'm right here, and the Olympics is all the way up here. So I can't just say, hey, I'm gonna go to the Olympics. I'm gonna be an Olympic pole vaulter and hope that my dream just comes true. I need to break my big goal down into steps. So the first step I need to do is break my personal record. Then I need to focus on this technique with my plant and being tall. And then I need to break the state record. And then I need to work on more technique. It's not all about getting higher heights. It's putting all the many steps together so that you can complete your bigger steps that'll lead you to your big goal, which mine is the Olympics. If you believe in yourself, I know you can accomplish your goals and dream big, because I believe in you.
That's what you make it.
That was an amazing Mindset Minute.
Yeah. Well, this has been a dope show, guys.
For sure, shout out to the lunch ladies.
Make sure you thank them next time you get your lunch.
Definitely, and that was a pretty swanky song of the week.
Yeah, and it sounds like the marching band did an amazing job in St. George.
As always.
Well, I'm Nephi, you can follow me here.
And I'm Matthew, you can Venmo me here.
This has been CaveTV.
Broadcasting from our cave to yours.
See ya!